What's going on, people? I am back with another installation video, and this time we have a oil catch can from Billet technology. I got my hoses that I need, short one and long one. Got my little ends right here and my washer, spacer rather. And I got something different right here. We have a dipstick tip for that. Let me pull out the wrapper so I can show you. This one here is an aluminum finish. That way it can kind of match my catch can over here on this side. I kind of like the silver and black look up under here, so that's why I went with this right here. All right, first thing you want to do is remove this wire right here from this hole in the block. It's a little tough coming off, so I went and grabbed some pliers. That's where this Z mount is going to line up with the spacer. Put your bolt in first, and the spacer is going to go behind here up to the block. We're just going to put it on snug for now. Yeah. Remove this line here from the PVC valve so we can put the new hoses on these two ends. I might have to cut a little hose off of here. Let me trim this hose down a little bit. So I basically trim this hose down, and I trim some of this hose down, but I need to get this straight, so I'm gonna have to trim some more of this down. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna position this where I want it, and then I'm gonna trim the rest of this down. Oh yeah, that's perfect. It's perfect. All right, we are done. Everything is hooked up and tight. So what I did was I trimmed this hose down, twisted this so it can face this way, and trim this hose right here down. Everything is tight. There's a little hole right here that has a pin inside. Focus. They provide you with a screw so you can punch that pin out. I'm gonna press it up against the ground so I can force that pin out. There we go. The screw is gonna go right in. Now just take this out, and it's gonna come right off. Now you take your new tip, slide it in there, and line it up with the hole. Should go all the way through. So yeah, it's all the way through now. Ain't coming out. Before you stick the dipstick back inside the tube, make sure you put some grease around this O-ring right here. That way it can go back in smooth without you having to force it in there. Now I know I said I was gonna paint my washer fluid cap, but I decided to go this route instead. I just figured that it would flow better with my other two pieces right here. So this here is gonna be the end of this video. On your way out, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.